welcome back to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges, brought to you by After School All Stars Hawaii. I'm Aunty Lani, and today we will be making Banilla Dream. Okay everyone, so let's get started. Let's first go over our ingredients and our materials that we will be using today to make our Banilla Dream. So first we will be using some Nilla Wafers, some instant vanilla pudding, some fresh bananas, some Cool Whip, whole milk, and as for our supplies, I did choose two different types of bowls. So I do have one large mixing bowl, one smaller size mixing bowl, I have a measuring cup, and I also have a small serving dish that we will be serving our Banilla Dream inside. I also have two spatulas, one knife, one whisk, and as you can see, a cutting board here, and one pair of gloves. So let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's get started. So first we're gonna take our large mixing bowl. I'm actually gonna start off with putting my gloves on first. So just be sure to wash your hands, or you can wear gloves, wash your hands and wear gloves. I'm going to take my instant vanilla pudding, right here, remove it from the packaging, and I'm gonna pour everything into my bowl, just like that, okay? So I'm also gonna take my whisk, just place it in my bowl, just like that. So we're gonna take our measuring cup here, and if you can see, it measures up to 2 cups, okay? So you're actually gonna take your whole milk, okay? So, okay, just take your time. So I'm gonna measure 2 whole cups of whole milk. That. Okay. So now I'm going to take my 2 cups of whole milk, place it into my bowl with my instant vanilla pudding, and I'm just gonna whisk using my whisk like so. So there is a trick to instant vanilla pudding. You're gonna have to whisk for a total of 2 minutes until it starts to thicken, just like that. And then we're gonna let it set for 5 minutes. So I'm actually gonna take my timer right here. I'm going to start it for 2 minutes and I'm gonna continue whisking, okay? Just like that. So as you can see, we're counting down to the last 2 seconds. Yay! So I'm just gonna cancel. Okay, so now as you can see, it's thickened a little. So what we are gonna do is we're just gonna set this aside. So remember, we mixed this for 2 minutes, slightly thickened. We're gonna let it set for 5 minutes on the side. So in the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and start chopping our bananas. Let's go ahead and take 1 banana. You only need 1. Remove and peel back the skin, the outer layer. Have a nice banana just like this. So this is where our cutting board comes in play. So Aunty Lani likes to remove the edges, just like that. You don't have to, you can eat it, but I just like to. So I'm gonna cut my banana in half, and you're just gonna make nice thick slices, just like that. Okay. Okay, so we got our banana. Okay everyone, so we have our vanilla pudding already mixed and letting that set for 5 minutes. We have our chopped bananas here. So I'm actually gonna place it into my smaller mixing bowl just to set it aside. Okay, so this is the fun part. So you have your vanilla pudding, you have your sliced bananas. You're actually just gonna take your little serving dish here. You're gonna get your Nilla Wafers. So go ahead and open. So there's no right way. You can do a vanilla wafer on the bottom and then your pudding and some bananas. You can layer it with whatever you want first. So I'm actually just gonna start off with my Nilla wafer cookie on the bottom. I'm gonna I'll just take one for now. Or I'll take two, I have two. So I'm just gonna place two at the bottom, like so. And then if you look at the pudding, it's nice and thick. It's ready to eat. So I'm gonna take my spatula and I'm just gonna take a little, dollop that right on top, just like that. Then I'm gonna take some bananas, layer my bananas, just like that. And I'm gonna take, I'll put some more. I think I'm gonna put more pudding right on top, like this. And then we'll take two more wafer cookies, a little more bananas, just like that. And then one more dollop of the vanilla pudding. Okay. So I love bananas, so I'm actually gonna take a few bananas, just to layer it on the top, just like that. Okay, see? Just like that. So now the fun part is we're gonna take our Cool Whip and we're just gonna put some Cool Whip on top. Cool Whip. Using our other clean spatula here, I am just gonna get a nice dollop of Cool Whip right on top. Perfect! And this is your Banilla Dream. Okay everyone, so this is your Banilla Dream. So we're gonna do a little taste test real quick. So I'm gonna take some of my Cool Whip, my banana, and my instant vanilla pudding. I think I got some cookie in there too, the wafer. I would say a good tip is maybe refrigerate this in your refrigerator for maybe 5 to 10 minutes just to let it chill and come nice and cold, and then you can enjoy it. But it's really, really good. So Aunty Lani named this Banilla Dream because it's made with banana and vanilla and wafer crackers. And I also wanted to know, did you guys know that over 100 billion bananas are eaten every year? And that makes the bananas the 4th most popular agricultural product sold in the United States.